Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel iTech Galaxy. Today I am super excited to unbox brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max silver color 256 GB. So let's unbox together. This is my first video of my YouTube channel, so never forget to like, subscribe. This is the box of iPhone 17 Pro Max. As you can see, Apple keep the design very minimal and premium. Alright guys, the time come we have been waiting for. Let's open the seal. Wow, look at this. So amazing. This is the silver iPhone 17 Pro Max silver color 256 GB. See how this amazing. Wow. Yes. Let's we see this later. First we check this. See cameras, this frame. Wow, so amazing. Now this feeling is so amazing when we open this. It's so amazing. Wow, nice display. It looks slim and grip looks like great. Now we keep on this side and we check. Let's check what is inside in the box. It is a power cable, Type-C to C, Type-C to C power cable, and this we keep side. Paper sticker, nothing else. Let's go to the phone. This white color is so look premium, and see this logo. This aluminium color is different and this shade different. It look more amazing. Let's turn on it first time. See, this Apple logo never gets old. All the time it looks like new. Now it's getting turned on. It needs little time. Now here we'll set according to our region, English. And finally it's going on. All setup completed. Just we're waiting until this finish. So guys, this was the unboxing of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Full review, camera test, and tips are coming soon on iTech Galaxy. If you enjoy in this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and never forget to share. And we will meet inshallah next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.